Alright, so we got a repairability test here. And this is for 16807, I believe. Let me just double check that. Yep, 16807. David Mack. Okay, the first one was Keisha Poole. All right. So 16807, Beale Hill Forest Lane, Accokeek, Maryland. David Mack. All right, let's get started. So these were already loose, so I just wanted to start here in this area. All right, make it a little bit easier. Looks like there's wind damage already right here, so I think this one's all right. All right, now here, let's get this guy out. Here. Okay, so this nail's popped through. And I gotta get it from the other one. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, it's fine, it's popped through. Alright. Let's see, we got this guy. We got this guy. This guy. Alright, what we got here? We got Tamco F000322. Alright, and they got nails in the strip, that's good. Alright, so let's say I took the shingle out. Alright, boom, I get the new shingle. Alright, I put them back in here. Like this. Alright. Like that. Oh wow, you can already see on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So look, I'm not even done doing it. You can see creased here. This one's creased. This one's creased. This one's creased. This one. This one. Even this one. Starting to. This one storm's gonna. Yeah, so you can already see I'm not even all the way done, and I got all this right here. So this is from the surrounding areas. So unfortunately, just messing with this one tab it's gonna cause all this damage. Obviously I'm gonna have to replace these, and it's just gonna keep happening. This roof's old. It's got a lot of wind damage to it, so it's just gonna keep happening. Therefore I'm gonna have to repair, so on and so forth, all the way up to the ridge and everywhere. And it's affecting these shingles, which makes it, you know, I'm gonna have to come out with it, and I'm just gonna have to replace the whole thing. There's no way to compare this. Look at this. So look at all the creased, and it's just gonna get worse. So definitely 100% unrepairable. I'm gonna go ahead and put my nails back, but yeah, there's no way you can repair this. No way. Oh shoot. Yeah, they're gonna need a full replacement. Yeah, this roof is definitely not repairable. Look at all this. It's just getting worse the more I go. Yeah, this roof is not repairable. There's no way. So as you can see, all those crease shingles, and it's just getting worse. And I'm gonna have to keep going all the way up and all the way out.